What's digging? An iPhone 6 here, and she's not drawing a healthy draw. So let's crack it open and connect it to our life support and find out what's going on with it. We're drawing 2 currents. The device in good working order shouldn't draw any power until you tell it to turn on. So let's fix it. To do that, we'll pop out the logic board from the housing, and straight away I see signs of water damage. So that's what all the dirty looking stuff along here is, and along here. We'll start off by having a close look under here, and of course under here. This one in for data recovery after being water damaged. It looks pretty good, except for that dude right there. So what I'm gonna do to fix this is just heat it up. That will soften all that black stuff around it. Some sort of epoxy, and when you heat it up, it softens up, which will then let me remove the cap. Having a bit of a swizz through the microscope, you can see what it looks like now. With my tool behind it, we'll be able to give it a bit of a wiggle. And just like that, the guy will pop off. With that little guy removed, we can get it out of there. With that out of the way, we can bang it back onto life support and switch her on. We're not getting a current draw. We'll tell it to turn on. Looks like we're getting a boot and phone. A little bit of water damage in the screen there. But other than that, today's work, mate.